Hey you guys, I just got back from the dentist with my kids and he told me all about Bril, and I'm gonna tell you all about it after I show you my bathroom and why we need it. So this is actually my kids' bathroom here, and this is one of my son's toothbrushes, and it's really gross to just leave it here. I mean, there's germs. We went to the beach. They rinse off their feet here. Look at that. There's dirt, there's grime. You don't want your toothbrush in the shower. And another thing I try to teach my son and my daughter is to keep the toilet seat down when you flush. Otherwise, if it's open and you flush, everything flies everywhere and it lands here. And here are the toothbrushes. We don't want any of those germs on the toothbrushes. My kids brush all the time, but they still got cavities. Their teeth were not 100% clean. So what I'm gonna do is clean this space. This is my son's spit cup. Gross. And it's right here by the toothbrushes. No, not gonna happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this here. I mean, look at this. Why do we put toothbrushes on here? It's gross. There's buildup, there's germs. I'm not going to have this up here anymore, so I'm gonna start getting rid of everything. So as you can see, trash, dumping it. I'm even gonna get rid of my son's spit cup. I don't think he'll notice. And we're gonna clean this up. Get rid of all this. Put that aside. And then actually I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here. And I'm going to show you what Bril is all about. All right, so this is the packaging that Bril comes in. UV toothbrush sterilizer. It's a game changer. It also comes with a charger, and the charge lasts up to 30 days. So here they are. And I'll show you with my daughters first. Right here. I mean, look at how cool that is. It lights up, and that UV light is what sterilizes the toothbrush. It is a game changer, and I know she's gonna love seeing that light because it's like a party. All right, and then this one's my son's. So I put this here. Same thing, lights up. Look at that. Look at that. Woohoo! Dance party. They're gonna love it. And then I already put the magnets up here. And what I love about the magnets is that you can place them anywhere, and they're far away from the toilet, far away from the shower. And now look at this, clear space, no clutter. And now I'm gonna finish cleaning this bathroom and feel so much more safe and know that I'm doing good for my family. So if you're like me and you wanna keep your family safe and germ-free, get the Bril.